Yeah, what is up party people? Welcome along to another video on the channel. What are we doing? We're flipping our old UK based project file into a Jump Up tune. So we're gonna VIP it and it's gonna sound so sick. It's got all the right elements for it. I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner. It just needs to up the tempo, switch the drum and bass drums, muck around with a few bits and pieces across like the verses and the intros, etc. and make it DnB friendly, and it's gonna sound so good. So if you aren't familiar with this track that we worked on the channel late last year, might have been mid last year sometime, it goes a little something like this. Alright, calm down. So you can just imagine that at 174, just jump straight into it. 136 at the moment. 174. Yeah, we're gonna have to mute the drums and do a new drums channel. And we're gonna have to, oh, there's a lot to do. We're gonna have to change the LFO rate for this as well. I'm gonna do that first because I got that idea stuck in my head. Is there a simple way to just delete these? Close. No, almost there. Oh, it's gonna sound fucking heavy with some DnB drums. We still want the kick there because the sidechain is definitely being triggered from that kick. So if we delete that, all the sidechain goes, and that's not ideal. We want tuned drums. The higher you pitch your snares, obviously the less body they have, so it's less of a poof sound and more of a toot. So if you want more low end thump impact, you're pitching your snares quite low. That kind of works. I just need a kick. I don't know what kind of kick to go for. What would Mackie G do? A lot of his tunes have like 8th note hi-hats, so like tit 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 tit. With a bit of saturator. Too much low end on the kick. Gonna edit out some of that stuff. I'm trying to create a real fuck sound with this kick now. Hence the weird as EQ shape. Like boost some of the sub, take down some of the thumb, and then boost whatever the hell's there. Yeah, that's suiting. Easy peasy, just the little tweaks for this VIP, nothing too crazy. Alright, see if we can tweak that bass or like the mid-range layer comes up. Alright, what do we got? What do we got? Yeah. See if I can bring that up in the mix. Don't need the claps there. We could have a clap there actually. Recycle, recycle that clap, add some. Yeah, overdrive, reverb. Oh, it's super quiet now. Saturated. Okay, that snare's coming in so quick. It's like automation lock on, just in case we stuff up any of the automation builds, like the low pass frequency and the high pass frequency. A little handy thing to do while you're doing edits. Need something on the drop. That pre-drop fits so well. It just, I don't know, it needs something. Maybe Isotope trash. But I need to sort out them vocals first. That's muted. Where? Oh, gotcha, that's right. Must have had some crafty effects. Love that. No mixing. Yes. Going faster. Edit that. Check cheeky fade so it doesn't sound weird. It might sound weird already because I've done that too much. Trash, we'll make it super gritty, we'll make it super wide, help thicken it up. It's just a little bit too soft at this stage. It needs more of an aggressive sound. Cheeky little bit of the filter there. We can check the filter on there. Actually, we have enough sub already. Let's dip that down. Convolution, which is like reverb in a specific space. Yeah, you can just chuck anything in and it'll like force the acoustics onto the specific sound, which sounds cool. So we actually want something decent. That sounds alright. Microshift, classic. This should be fucking great because we're widening up the bass, oh, the sub bass as well. Oh no. Could use a drum loop in the background though. That is lacking just a little bit. Drum breaks. And we don't want the same sub bass as that, so let's. I'm starting to think the snare sounds too clean now. Yeah. Well, we just need a loop and find a good sound. That actually doesn't sound that bad, even though it completely messes with it. I'm kind of tempted to keep it that way, actually. That sounds so weird, but it's so good. Maybe instead of making the whole channel wide, maybe just this bass wide. Oh, that subtle saturation. Not so subtle anymore. That sounds, man, yo. Okay, we've got the elements there, but the mixdown is sounding so shit. The sub bass just got lost there. That bass is sounding mint. Need extra low end thump on that snare. Oh, the elements are there. It's just the mixdown is so shit. No, I just need the sub back. Okay, this needs some freaking more saturated. Unlock the power of the saturator, just putting saturation on everything else. I think the whole sub and main bass feeding into this group, which has Isotope Trash on it, comes off with a specific saturated gritty sound. So if you take away the sub, it hasn't got the same elements to kind of create that super gritty sound. I think if you push low end hard enough, it just sounds distorted and gross. But I am tempted to if we EQ out this low end now. And then we duplicate the sub out of the group. Go, sub, yes. I gotta find it. It's the Lynn Collins Think Break. That's not the one I was looking for. That's kind of the vocal thing I was looking for though. Too much sub bass now. Alright, we need to copy across the drums from here. And when I say drums, I mean sidechain. Okay, something is not right there. Across this. All good. What the fuck happened there? Oh well, we're coming across the first drop and then I'd say doing some edits. Another element maybe? Maybe we can just bring in a normal one of that, because that seems to work. Alright, I got an idea for this drop. It's not much, but nah, there's no excuse. I'm just gonna crank the octave up one more. So I clicked on that. Hopefully it comes in there. Now it kind of sounds weird without reverb now. Right, so we've got the high lead. Now it's time to duplicate that and do the lower lead. Should we go down to... don't even know what I'm doing anymore, but it's sounding sick. That saturation on the main bass, and then the snare absolute fuckery with Isotope. Like how? Let's hear it without track for a second. And you can't half dry with it either, like have 50% of the effect and 50% of the normal sound, because it just sounds... I've got another unconventional thing I want to try. Making the snare wide. No, the kick wide. Yeah, making the kick wide. Kick. But yeah, that is a transformation of the UK bass track that we did last year into a jump up track, which was pretty unconventional, but it's sounding filthy. Time to listen to it start to finish. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Leave a thumbs up on the video if you did, and I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial or whatever we're doing on this channel. Have a great day, and here is the final track. Man, all right, let's go. God, that did work. Is the bass too loud? It fits too well. It fits too well. I could have used the drum break there. Overall, I think I like the first drum more than the second, but we need the second to have some variation, so. Yeah, that one suits better. Oh well, it is what it is. That was a lot of fun. Thank you for watching. See you next week, and peace.